Haldia is a planned port city in the great state of West Bengal. It was designed as a deep water port with an immediate surrounding industrial ecosystem. It thrived and grew for decades till dark clouds emerged in the form of industrial lockouts, disputes, and workforce exploitation by vested interest groups. Nobody wanted to invest in Haldia. People were scared to step forward for the cause. In the beginning of 2015, these dark clouds began to clear. The J.M. Bakshi Group invested effort and money in rebuilding Haldia into a state-of-the-art container terminal. Immediately, the basic facilities were set up. Drinking water stations, a canteen, and well-maintained sanitation were promptly installed. As the group took over, many workers feared they would lose their jobs. To the individual's relief, the company made a point to recruit only local workers. Skill-based training courses were offered and strict safety procedures were put in place.
HICT হলো গিয়ে স্বপ্নের প্রকল্প। এই প্রকল্প শুধু জেএম বক্সির নয়, এই স্বপ্নের প্রকল্প আমাদের ইউনিয়নেরও। এত তাড়াতাড়ি এটাকে ডেভেলপ করে যে স্বপ্নের প্রকল্পটাকে বাস্তবায়িত করতে চলেছে, তাতে খুব সুন্দরভাবে এরা মডার্নাইজেশন করেছে।
The J.M. Bakshi Group has helped transform Haldia into a shining example of how hard work, determination, and articulate planning pays off.